Good morning all of you. Today we will start chapter 9, exercise 9b, compound interest. Here in this, the first question it is saying, calculate amount and the compound interest by using the formula. By using the formula of amount and compound interest, you have to find out the amount and compound interest when you are given with the principal, rate of interest and time. As you know, the formula for amount is principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. This is the formula for when we calculate the amount yearly, but when we calculate the amount half yearly, it will become principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2n. In half yearly, the rate of interest, it is r, it is divided by 2, and the time, it is multiplied by 2. When it is in the case of half yearly, the amount formula will be 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2n. Here the rate of interest is divided by 2 and time is multiplied by 2, as this I have shown you in the introduction video. So let's start with the first question of exercise 9b. Here it is given, principal here it is given to you as 1000, rate of interest is 10% and time it is given to you as 3 years. By the formula of amount, it is given p into 1 plus r upon 100. Amount you have to find out. Amount it will be p. Principal is 1000 plus r here it is given to you as 10% upon 100 to the power n. N it is given to you as 3 years. So from here 1000 into, if I write down this as, I will take the LCM, it will be 110 upon 100. This is 110 upon 100 to the power 3. Now 1000 into 110 upon 110 upon 100. This is 110 upon 100. This is 110 upon 100. This 2 0 and this 2 0 gets cancelled. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. Again this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. This 2 0 and this 2 0 gets cancelled. So here we are remaining with 11 into 11 into 11. As you know, 11 cube is, first if you can find out, you know 11 cube, that is 130, 1331, or you can write down this 11 into 11 is 121, and when you will multiply it with 11 you will get this much. So what is the amount here? This is 1331 rupees. So amount you got here is 1331 rupees. Now how you will find out the compound interest? Compound interest is amount minus the principal. Amount here is given to us 1331 rupees minus the principal amount here it is given to you as 1000. So this 1000 I can write down here. If you will subtract this, you will get 331 rupees. So compound interest here will be 331 rupees. So in this question what we did, first we substituted the value in the formula for amount, and after getting the amount we have to find out the compound interest, that is amount minus principal, and we got the answer. For the second question, here we have amount is equal to, the third question we have amount is equal to 8000 rupees. Rate is given to you as 10% half yearly, and the year given to you is 1.5 years. But this is compound, this is half yearly. So here amount formula will be p into 1 upon r, p into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2n. As I told you, the rate will be half, that is 10 upon 2, that is 5%. Okay. Now on substituting the value here in the formula, you will get amount is equal to what is the principal here? 8,000 rupees into 1 plus r. R here you have taken out here. This is half yearly. That's why I have divided by 2. So this will be 5 by 100 to the power 2n. N is here the number of years, that is 1.5 year. So on here you will get 3 by 2 years. So this is 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled from here. So you will be remaining with 8,000 into 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this will be 21 upon 20 to the whole power 3. From here you will get 8,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. Okay. Cancel this. These 3 zeros get cancelled. This 2 ones are, 2 fours are, again 2 ones are, this 2 twos are, again 2 ones are, this 2. So on calculating, amount here will be 21 into 21 into 21. From your amount you will get as 9261 rupees. So after getting the amount here as 9,261 rupees, what you have to do, you have to find out the compound interest. So compound interest here you will get as amount minus principal. Amount here it is given to you as 9,261 rupees minus principal here is 8,000 rupees. So here you will get 1621 rupees. So here you have find it out the compound interest, that is 1,261 rupees. Just remember, in the case of yearly and in the case of half yearly, which formula we are going to use. This is question number 6. In this question it is saying, Sudhir lent rupees 2,000 at compound interest at 10% payable yearly, while Prashant lent to rupees 2,000 at compound interest as 10% payable half yearly. Here we are having two conditions, one for Sudhir and one for the Prashant. So for Sudhir I am writing here and for Prashant I am writing here. So what is given to her here in Sudhir, he lends rupees 2,000 at compound interest at 10% payable. Means principal here is 2,000 rupees, rate is 10% here, and time is given to you as yearly, that means 1 year. Similarly for Prashant here it is given to you as principal is 2,000 rupees, rate is 10%, and time is given to you as half yearly. Okay, so what we have to find the difference in the interest. First you have to take out the interest here received by Sudhir and Prashant at the end of 1 year. So you have to find out the difference in the interest which is received by both Prashant and Sudhir at the end of 1 year. So first in this condition we will find out the amount and the compound interest but yearly, and in the condition of Prashant we will find out the amount and then compound interest but half yearly. So let's start. Here amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power m. So your principal is 2,000 rupees into 1 plus r, it is 10 upon 100 to the power 1. So from here you will get amount equal to 2,000 into 110 upon 100. Okay, so this 20 and this 20 gets cancelled. So amount here is 2,200 rupees. So amount here is how much? 2,200 rupees. Now find out the compound interest here. Compound interest here it is given to as amount minus the principal. Amount is given to you as 2,200 rupees subtracted by 2,000 rupees. From here you will get compound interest at 200 rupees. Similarly, this is in the case of Sudhir. Now in the case of Prashant, it is given to you as half yearly. The formula for amount will be principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2n. So here you know rate in half yearly, the rate is divided by 2. So this will be divided by, so this will be 5%. Now substitute the value in the amount formula. Here you will get 2000 into 1 plus r, that is 5 upon 100 to the power 2 into n. Here it is half yearly, so this is 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So here you will get n is equal to 1. So from here 2000 into 105 upon 100. From here you will get this 2 0 gets, this 2 0 gets cancelled. 105 upon 20. You will get 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2100. So what I have committed mistake here, it is given, it is half yearly. Sorry, in this question what I have to do, here the time it is given to us 1 year. At the end of 1 year you have to find out, and in the formula it is given 2n. So 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So here if I substitute the value of n, you will get p into 1 plus r, it is 10 upon 100 to the power 2 into 1, that is 2 only. So from here you will get, this is how much? 2000 rupees. From here 2000 into 100, 10 not 5, 105 upon 100 to the power 2. From here 2000 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. This 2 0 and this 2 0 gets cancelled. On solving this, you will get amount equal to 2,205 rupees. So on solving this, you will get how much? 2,205 rupees. For compound interest, here it will be how much? Amount minus the principal, that is 2,205 minus the principal. Here it is given to us 2,000. So this is 205 rupees. Amount here in the case of Prashant is 205 rupees, and in the case of Sudhir it is 200 rupees. So what you have to find in this question is difference in the interest. Difference in the interest of Prashant and Sudhir. So that is compound interest for Sudhir was 200 and Prashant is how much? 205. So 205 minus 200, that is 5. So what is the difference they received in the rate of interest? Sudhir and Prashant at the end of the year is how much? 5%. This is the answer.